everyone. Welcome to today's Tulu Read Aloud session. Let's wait for some more people to come in. Hi Dhatri, I see you there. And by the way, I'm reading your book today. Do you recognize this book, The Friday Fair? Thank you once again for lending so many books to the library. The library is always going to be indebted for them. So, I'm going to be reading this book called The Friday Fair, written by Rabindranath Tagore and illustrated by Debasmita Dasgupta. It's a short poem written by Rabindranath Tagore, and the illustrations are particularly beautiful. They're vivid and bold colors and totally relatable to the Indian lifestyle. So let's get going and see what this poem is all about. The Friday Fair. Here comes the cart with pots and pans from the village potter's lane. Bansi rides the car with flair, nephew Madan by his side. That's the nephew there, Madan. Friday Hart comes every week to Banshiganj on Padma's bank. People bring the cash they have to barter, haggle, buy and sell. Brinjal, radish, gourds and all, flour and mustard, wheat and gram. Delicate winnows made of cane, handmade shawls so warm and nice. Ladles, mashers, rolling pins, cheap umbrellas, tongs and things. Do you recall any of this, Dhatri? Flies buzz and swirl near piles of good. They dance on top of mishti too. Now see the happy farmer girl riding a boat that's full of hay. And there sings homeless blind Kanhaiya, softly, sweetly for his food. That's him there, singing away to God's glory. He doesn't see the laughing boys who kick, splash in the nearby pond. The end. Let's read a little bit about Rabindranath Tagore. Do you know which famous poet wrote the Indian national anthem? It was him, Rabindranath Tagore, the Jana Gana Mana. Born 150 years ago, he stood tall in the world of writing, and his ideas are still so fresh and relatable, so current. He was a writer, painter, musician, poet, and storyteller too. Yes, we are talking about, guess who? Rabindranath Tagore, lovingly called Gurudev. Gurudev was born on May 7, 1861. His father, Debendranath Tagore, was a Sanskrit scholar. Gurudev's early education was imparted at home. In school, while others used to learn their lessons, he would slip into an exciting world of dreams. Hoping that his tutor would not come when it rained, he would sit by the window waiting. However, as fate would have it, his tutor's umbrella could be seen right from the corner of the road at the usual time. Tagore wrote his first poem when he was 8. At the age of 16, his first book of poems was published. Aside from words and dramas, his other great love was music. He composed more than 2,000 songs, both the music and lyrics. He held great love and respect for children. His first poem for children was The Rainy Day. We read this book some days ago, right? Since childhood, he loved and appreciated nature. Tagore felt that learning should be based on real-life experiences and wanted to spread this message. He always believed that education is the freedom of imagination. In 1901, he founded an international university called Shantiniketan, or Abode of Peace, which brought out priceless talents like Indira Gandhi, Satyajit Ray, and Amartya Sen. He has also written Amar Sonar Bangla, the national anthem for Bangladesh. In appreciation of all his work, Gandhiji lovingly gave him the title Gurudev. In his last days, he developed an interest in painting. 1913, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. So here we've read a couple of books by him, and they're all so lovely, right? Thank you everyone for joining me here today. Let me know how you like this book, and we can try and read some more of his books as we go along. Thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow with yet another story. Until then, bye-bye and take care.